Hi, welcome back to Learn with LabTech. Today we are going to watch video on Siemens V20 VFD drive and how to control an induction motor or any AC motor with the V20 VFD controller using the basic operator panel, that is BOP panel, JAG mode and hand mode. This is Siemens V20 VFD and this is single phase to 3-phase inverter. This is single phase input and this one is the 3-phase output, and this is the basic operator panel which is having memory, okay, and in up and down arrow keys, and this are off and on button. This is the basic operator panel with memory and okay, and this is up and down memory, increase, decrease, to set the values, and this is for switch on the inverter and this is for off. So this is the very simple basic operator panel. So let us see the configuration. So when you switch on the drive, you will be able to see the green light is blinking, that is for setting. So go to memory, press P100. First you have to set up the motor data, that is which motor you are going to use. So first P010000 press OK. This is the frequency of the motor. You can fix it to 0 means 50 Hz and 1 is 60 Hz, so 0. Again OK. And next 304. This is the voltage supply, 230 volt motor. So if it is 440, then you can set it to 3-phase means 440 volt. So I have set 230. Then 305. This is current. So my motor current is 1.79. So you can increase or decrease using this button. Just press OK. Then 307, that is a kilowatt, 0.37, half HP. So if you want, you can change it. Press OK. Then this is the wattage. Okay. This is the frequency of the supply. So okay. This is the speed. It's okay. And okay. Then this is very important parameter. This is the macro. CN000 is for hand mode. So press OK. Hand or jog mode. So now you can set both button. Press OK. So you will see the hand. Now you press on. Motor will start working. So this is the frequency of the drive. So you can increase or decrease the frequency by changing the button. I am reducing the frequency. So you can change the frequency from 0 to 50 Hz. So this is very less, smooth speed. So this is how you have to increase or decrease the speed. And you can press the red button to stop the speed. Now we see the drive working in the jog mode. Jog mode is slow and required speed you can set. Now just you can see the press both the button M, memory and OK single time. You will able to see the hand mode symbol that is blinking. See this? So this hand symbol is continuously blinking. That is jog mode. So now the drive is just one difference. When you press M one time, this will be fixed hand mode, and when you press the M and OK twice, next time long press, this will blink. If the hand symbol is blink, then it is the jog mode. That's all. So now I am running the motor in jog mode. So first to increase the frequency, whichever you want. So set the frequency, now you can see. Whatever the speed you want, you can just run it. You can change the frequency and stop it. Just this is the jog mode. So you have to set the frequency to maximum, which up to which extent you are going to run. Then you have to press the start button. In that particular frequency only it will run. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to get the more technical videos in future. Thank you.